Hey guys, how are we doing? So it's Crypto Insight UK here with another YouTube video. It's the 27th of July, 10 past 12 p.m. in the UK. We're just going to get straight into it today. To be fair, there's not really too much I can say today. We're kind of in no man's land. So what I mean by that is no one knows whether we're going down from here. No one knows if we're going up. There's no confirmation either way. There's arguments to be had both ways. Do we come back down to lower levels? Do we proceed and march on upwards? So let's talk about this price level here. This is where Amazon announced that they weren't going to be holding Bitcoin. It was very convenient timing though, because in my TA group, you'll see my technical analyst posted in there was 30,000 Bitcoins to be sold at $40,500. So that was a massive sell wall, and that's what smashed the price down. So I always say there's no coincidences in the crypto market. Are they trying to hide that someone was selling crypto there? I don't know. Are they trying to keep the price down? I don't know. This is what I mean when I say we don't know whether we're going up or down yet. On the hourly, we have had a bullish cross, which is cool on the 50 to 200 day. But as you can see, it was quite being invalidated. That's the word I was looking for. A lot of times throughout the past few months, because we are still in this range between 41,000 and 28,000, like we have been for the last few months, until we break above that. That's where we are. So the real price target that I'm looking to break above is around this level, $42,172 for Bitcoin. Again, like I said, you could say that it was a fake out below, as there wasn't much volume. More volume's come through now and we pushed above. So the price target for this breakout from this descending wedge would be, so from the moment it broke out, would be just to that 42,000, just above that. So we can look in and around there for a target to try and break or take profits. If you've gone on a long out of here, that's where I'd be looking to do that. Not financial advice, of course. I personally am not day trading. If you are, I've had some questions this morning in my live. Should I buy crypto at this price? Personally, any prices down at these sort of areas, I would be dollar cost averaging in. If we do come down, where do we come down to? 28? Do we go lower? 25? Massively, low chance that we do that, in my opinion. But we could. But even then, what's the upside? If you've got no exposure, I think we'll top out around 75,000, 75, 80,000. So risk to reward's pretty high, but I wouldn't be getting on Bitcoin anyway. I'd be getting on something like XRP personally, which the upside's much, much, much higher percentage return, up to 13 sort of dollars. That's where I realistically think we're going to go with this bull run. Pardon me, but yeah, as I said, I'm going to keep it kind of short today because there's not too much I can tell you until we get some confirmation one way or another. It's good that we saw the decrease in volume, then a big spike, and it was a break to the upside. So that was pretty cool. We are looking to reclaim the moving averages. We have reclaimed the 50 on the daily. We do still look to try and get above this 200, and then when these daily moving averages reverse, so go back to being bullish, so 50 crossed the 200 day, you could say that was the last time it happened here. And that took us all the way up to 60. So last time we had a bullish crossover on the dailies on Bitcoin, it took us up 700%. If that was to happen again, which I don't think we will hit 700%, but we never know. Let's say we hit 700% from here. I'm not going to be able to zoom in that far because I'm an idiot, but let's try it anyway. Oh, here we go. There we go. So 700%. It's about 300,000. Some people are calling for that, to be fair, so that actually could make sense. That could play out all right in terms of that. But let's see with XRP what happened. Last time we had a bullish cross was here. Was it there? Yeah, last time we had a bullish cross on the dailies was here. See what we moved on XRP. Bang. Then we'll go from the price. Silly boy. The price action was up here. We had that, which was there. Oh, and that's a line. Nice one. There up to there, 600%. If we had a 600% move for XRP, where would that take us? in the price action that we're at now. It's not going to let me do this because the chart's dirty. Oh, yeah, it is. It would take us to 480. Oh, that's not very accurate, but you see what I'm trying to show you anyway. That's the important thing, is just to give you an idea of what we're doing. And this is kind of interesting that we have stayed pretty close to the bottom of this wedge. Could you say, could we extend the wedge out? I don't know. Not really. You could maybe draw it in like that. That kind of would make sense, but that is the move that I'm looking for. Again, the low volume, so we could say that these are kind of invalidated by the low volume. If it is, it could be a fake out. To be fair, if we had a breakout from this wedge, what we're looking at, open that to that, we'll just go to, just play that in line, just to make it easier for us. There, and let's see what a breakout would look like. It looks like we're going to get towards the end. It'll probably be breaking out around here. It'll take us up to 278, pushing on towards the 320 to 380 mark, all-time highs. Yeah, again, I feel like I've just been rambling today. Coinbase shares are up. I've sold out actually all of mine a few days ago, well, a few weeks ago. QNT, again, looking pretty strong. We haven't really had much of a correction for that. It's just been kind of a grind upwards, even when the markets were correcting. So who knows what's going on there. I might actually get some, but I don't have any cash. Algorand looks to have formed a triple bottom, which is quite a strong structure. Should it be able to reclaim the 50 and the 200-day moving averages? Doge, not one of my favourites. Looks to be trying to reclaim the 200-day, but hasn't quite made it yet. We'll see what happens there. We'll keep an eye on the whole market, obviously. So it's positive that the total market cap has looked to, and so far, to be reclaiming the 250-day. It is above those. Nice daily candle forming. God, my words aren't coming out today. Nice daily candle forming there, but we have had a bad daily yesterday. That looks like there's a lot of selling pressure, as I said, from where Bitcoin had that sell target of 30,000 Bitcoins at 40,500. And again, on the altcoin market cap, we are looking to get above that 50-day. So this is what I said, we are in no man's land at the minute. No one really knows. There's no confirmation one way or another. There's not really. Bitcoin's looking the most bullish out of any of the cryptos, which is what you do want to see because it is a market leader normally. We just need another big push from Bitcoin, get us up, break these resistance levels. And they're resistance levels for a reason, guys. That's why we have them drawn in, and it's hit my resistance level almost exactly. Look, that I have had drawn in for a while. So they're just things to keep your eyes on. We need to break above this previous high here in the range. We need to break above these moving averages, and then we need to break the 42,000, and then we're looking at targeting 47,000 after that. But yeah, we've still got a lot above our heads, so it's great to see some green days. Obviously, it's nice to see, but we're not out of the woods yet. So just keep your head very grounded. If you want exposure to crypto, it's not a bad time to be getting it. As I've been saying all down here, we're saying this is where the money's made, this is where the money's made. Telling you this is where the money's made still. One thing to note is once we get a proper break above this line here, we have previously boomed, and I'll show you that from the past two. Bang, break above there, come back, retest it, off we go. Break above there, all the way up to here. So if we can get a break and a daily candle close above the 65 sort of cent mark for XRP, 65, 66 cent, it's looking very bullish for XRP as well. So they're the things to look out for, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will speak to you on the next one. Peace up, A-Town down, as Usher would say.